Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna get a little creative here for the Westinghouse. Ah. Oh yeah, look at this shit.
We are professionals.
Oh yeah, we are. Fuck
Only
yeah.
on the weekend.
Yep, absolutely. If there's anybody can pull this off, it's us.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure it ain't hitting the ground.
But that makes the fun.
You think by now I would just have. It's a little close for comfort. Watch somebody. Watch his. She's being smart and plugs the fucking thing in. I'm like, ah!
Well, it's too hot, so you're not hitting the ground yet.
Man, that should. Nah, that's not gonna work. Hang on.
You sure?
We'll figure it out. If I have to, oh, you can do it on the side like that. Hang on. We'll get it. We'll get it. We will get it. Failure is not an option. I'm pretty sure this is a recipe for fucking failure.
I mean,
Oh, yeah,
recipe
we're good. Check
for
this out.
Sparkies.
Oh yeah, but Sparkies are fun. Fun Sparkies, good Sparkies. Sparkies build character. Sparkies give experience. It's okay, guys. I'm an electrician.
He is. Let me hold on to something for you.
Yeah, there you go, like that. Bingo.
I have now earned my participation trophy.
Yes, you have. All right. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do this.
Or do you mean do this?
Or yeah, or do.
Or just, you know, I mean, a Darwin Award is always...
It definitely makes for a funny time.
It does.
This is even better than the time we had that freaking jumper cables all.
Oh, yeah.
A block of wood just so nothing stupid happens.
Maybe you should put salt water on your wood.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're just gonna not touch that. So yeah, we don't have the correct adapter, so we
Neutral?
There's no neutral.
Oh, okay.
It's a ground, Dave.
Ground neutral, you know, it's the same thing.
Yeah, we're not worried about that right now. All right. Nothing's happening. Oh shit, it's turned off in there. All right, well, let's take the case down. Quick. Oh, case over here. I'm gonna run and turn it on. Look at that shit. The Copelands have a good startup sound, don't they?
Yeah.
All right. Here goes to nothing.
And yes, I am backing up. Huh? It's a dust machine.
You might want to get that.
Well, it's cold.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's fine. Mostly. Just don't look at it too much. Like on the ground? It's loud, but it's not.
That's really cold.
It's not as loud as I was expecting. No. Late 60s, maybe early 70s.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what year.
For 24,000, it's not that loud.
No.
I mean, the Emerson's a lot quieter, obviously.
I didn't see the Emerson. Oh, that one down there is silent.
You feel the case at all?
I will now.
But again, look at the chassis. A little bit of surface rust, nothing crazy. This bit of shear works beautifully. Well, for now, anyway. This grill here is going to do nothing for noise.
No.
Oh, got it?
There we go. Yeah, we're good.
definitely more of a commercial unit than a residential one. Like I said, so it's not fancy at all.
No, the Westinghouses were fancier, a lot more fancy.
Oh yeah.
Which I prefer.
I don't know how this glue goes on. I don't see anything that.
The case.
Oh, it does go in the case.
Probably need the case to do the top. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Just like the later or the white Westinghouse units, which are pretty much the same chassis as
Yep. That's exactly what happens. Yep. Tell you what, it does blow cold.
Yeah.
Like I said, for 24K, it's not too bad.
No.
You look at the data plate. We literally have a 220 volt service that you can literally just clamp into at any time and it'll work.
But hey, it works.
Yeah. I just need a Westinghouse tank in that case.
Yep, that's pretty much good to go.
Yeah, actually I can make it.
Good, yeah. All right, well, I'll hand the camera back off to you then.
Yeah. Probably put the temp gun on it, but that don't matter at this point. This is a, like I said, 23.5. All right. Wish they would have taken the mounting brackets off. That's okay. Dun 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 dun.